What's up, YouTube family? It's your man Young Carlos here from Exclusive. Today we got another exclusive video for you, but before we get there, make sure to give us a like and comment down below what you want to see up next. So let's get to the shoe of the day. We got the new Yeezys a little early before they hit the streets. These are the Yeezy 500s by Kanye West. So as you know, this is the newest model and gonna be the newest colorway. These are set to release July 7th, and they're called the Utility Black. Take a closer look. So, as you can see, it's almost like a black, ashy gray color. Compared to the other two that released, they're gonna be a little more limited. Only boutiques, Foot Locker and Foot Action, stuff like that, are not gonna get them. So hopefully the numbers are less. So far at the moment, they're reselling for $350. We got them available now. So let's get a closer look at the shoe. You got it's almost like a suede material around the shoe. By far, these are gonna be my favorite ones. All black shoe, you can't go wrong. Got the bottoms. These don't have boost material, but they have like the new feel. It's very, very comfortable. This is gonna be the insole. Then you got the Yeezy. Not much to it, just a different look. These were seen very early on, but they were a friend and family edition that Kanye West wore. Now they're actually released to the public. So like always, up next, on foot look and more quality pick. Enjoy.